Welcome to Alyang Kennels. It's time for you to meet our pack, the Alyang Kennel Pack. Isa-isa ko silang i-introduce sa inyo. Umpisa tayo sa mga OG namin. This is Disco. She's a Saint Bernard and
She's one of our OG and foundation of Alyang Kennels. She was born in 2018. Tatay niya is an import from the US and ang nanay niya ay local born. Lumipat lang kami dito sa farm in 2020. Before that, she was a QC girl. Sanay sa city living, but nung lumipat kami dito sa Cavite, madali siyang mag-adjust kasi her instincts kicked in. Kumbaga, Saint Bernards are a outdoor working breed. So, madali talaga siya mag-adjust sa farm life. We were blessed to be given Disco by our fellow dog lover and our dear friend Janice de Belen. In terms of temperament, Saint Bernards are loyal, intelligent, but can be stubborn and headstrong. A great family dog, but hindi ko ma-recommend for first-time dog parents because you need to have experience on handling big dogs and grooming big dogs and catering to a cold climate dog in a tropical climate country. In short, dapat hindi sila naiinitan. So, si Disco had a litter at the age of 5 years old. Pinagtiyagaan talaga namin to get her pregnant kasi we knew it was worth it. Pinag-aralan talaga namin ang bloodline at lineage niya. Kaya pinagtiyagaan talaga namin. Ang result ay nakapag-produce kami ng 6 beautiful and healthy puppies. One of them we kept and others went to beautiful homes. Ipapakilala ko yung keeper namin sa ibang video. So that's Disco. I hope you enjoyed this video.
thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.